Fine, let's go to model estimation. Model estimation is simply means the analysis. How do we estimate the model? How do we run the analysis of the model? So estimating the VAR model is very straightforward. We use ordinary least square for each equation separately. Remember, when you are using the structural equation models, we said that you cannot use OLS because it will give unreliable results. But for this case, we use ordinary least square technique for each equation separately. For example, in two variable system, you would run the OLS regression for stock prices, then run a separate OLS regression for interest rates. Like these equations here. You run the OLS equation for this, and you will also run the OLS regression for the second equation. And then we go to model interpretation. So for the model interpretation, it is quite different from what we know or how we interpret the results of the OLS. So directly looking at coefficients in VAR model can be confusing. The real values of VAR model comes from two special tools, the impulse response function and the forest error variance decompositions. In other words, results interpretation in VAR is done by looking at this, what we are calling impulse response functions, and the variance decomposition, or what we are calling the forest error variance decomposition.